Another very important pronoun is it. It is a wonderful pronoun and very common. It is gender neutral and can be used for almost anything except people. I love your bag. Where did you get it? In this case, it refers to the bag. Why does my brother stay with his girlfriend? I just don't get it. In this case, it refers to the situation of my brother staying with his girlfriend. Oh, and my and his are possessive pronouns, but that's another video. My boyfriend wants me to cook dinner tonight. I am not happy about it. It, in this case, refers to cooking dinner. I am very lazy about cooking. I don't like it. See? I don't like it. I don't like cooking. And this is my video about the pronoun it. I hope you liked it.